Happy New Year, everybody. Fat Cracker here. You know what time it is. It's time to cook. Got a breakfast for you today. I've been seeing it online on TikTok and such. I'm going to try to make my own version of it today. It's a breakfast quiche. We'll get you set up. We'll get everything mixed together, and let's see how it turns out. All right, everybody. We got our oven preheating at 350. In this bowl, we got 14 medium eggs, and we're going to add to it. I'm going to add a pound of cubed ham. Get that in there. Mix it up in there real good. Got all that in there. And to this, we're going to add 2 cans of fire roasted rotel. And we'll be right back. All right. Got to upgrade our bowl. My original bowl's a little too small, so we'll put everything in there. Okay. So we got the eggs, the ham, the rotel. We're going to add some triple cheddar cheese. Mix that around in there. Just a couple handfuls. Then we're going to add a couple handfuls of baby spinach, or maybe 1 handful. I got a big hand. All right. Then to that, they called for it. I've never really went into cottage cheese, but we're going to put cottage cheese in it. I'm going to put 3 heaping tablespoons, maybe 4. Put 4 heaping tablespoons. And some red onion. All right, now we got that. We're going to, give me just a minute. All right, we're going to mix this up. Had to find my fork. Mix it up real good. Get the eggs all mixed in, spinach all mixed down in it. And while we're mixing, I'm going to add some Tonys. Put a little Cajun kick to it. Yep, we'll get all that mixed in. Sure we get that spinach mixed in there real good. That Tony's got me. Mix it a little bit more. I think I'm going to add a little bit more spinach. Get that mixed in there. Like I said, I don't follow the recipes to the exact. I just do it how I see fit. All by feel. You know, I think that tastes good to me. All right, so we got this mixed in. Everything mixed. And we'll get to the next step. We'll be right back. All right, so now we got some tortilla bowls. And we're going to take spoonfuls of the mixture here and put it inside these bowls. That one was a little off as a bowl. Put a little bit more in there. And this one was deformed. We'll fill it up. All right. Come over here. Fill this one. We'll fill this one. We'll fill all the bowls. All right. I'll go ahead and finish filling these, and then we'll come back to the next step. All right. We got them in the bowls. So now what we'll do is we'll come across and we'll top every one with cheese. I got more in the bowl over there. I got some more shells, but we'll put cheese on top here, all the way down. And I know y'all see me use different cheeses. I use what's on sale most of the time. Get on there. This triple cheddar cheese, we're gonna run out of it. We'll end up putting sharp cheddar on the rest. Like I said, I got another pan that I might have to go over cheese with more bowls on it because I got a lot of leftover. All right. Get these last 3 bowls with the sharp cheddar and then make another pan. I won't show you all that, but let me just finish up this. It's my first time trial, so hopefully it turned out pretty good. All right, so those are top. Do the next other pan, get it done, and get them in the oven. We're gonna put them in the oven for about 20 minutes. Like I said, we're preheated at 350. 20 minutes bake and then broil for 5. All right, everybody. Well, I learned something here. Make sure you don't have no holes in your bowls, and make sure you don't overfill them because the egg goes everywhere on the pan. But here we have it. They bake for 20 minutes, broiling them for about 5 or 6 minutes, and they're looking pretty firm. So we'll pull them apart, plate them up, see how they look. All right, so I got one with a sharp cheddar, one with a triple cheddar. Let's go ahead and cut it into the triple cheddar one. It's still a little runny. Yeah, we might have to put it back in the oven for a little while. Yeah, I'm gonna throw those back in the oven. They ain't ready. All right, everybody. I had to stick them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. The egg wasn't quite done all the way. We got them out. Here we got this one. I'll cut it again. Show you how she looks. The egg's done now. Nice and hot. And we'll cut this one too. Show you how it is. Nice and done. A little bit of crispier on that one. So we'll take a bite. It's hot. Not too bad. Pretty good. As you see right there, like I said, just don't fill your bowls up too full. Make sure they're all together, no holes in them, so the egg don't leak out across the pan. And then you can make breakfast for the week. Nice protein pack, calorie, help you with your diet. There it is. Tastes good. Remember, guys, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Y'all have a good one.